Hi, Sonia with Just Botanicals. We make organic, ethically sourced skincare here in Alaska. You're in my lab and I'm going to show you in a brief little video how to make an organic toner. Toners are awesome. They help restore the pH balance of the skin. They help close and tighten pores after cleansing. They'll help remove any of your last remnants of a cleanser. And they're just all around fabulous. And they feel great. Starting with Neroli toner. Neroli is an awesome anti-aging oil and hydrosol. And if you don't know what a hydrosol is, it is the byproduct, the water byproduct of when an essential oil is made. I'm going to add chamomile, hydrosol to that, neroli hydrosol. And I'm also going to add a little bit of rose hydrosol to that. Then, that alone is a good toner. But it's anti-aging because I add extra stuff as well. Essential oils. It's got about a 1% essential oil combination. And I'm going to pour those in here. Now, oils, of course, and water separate, right? Because these are pure, organic, fresh, handcrafted products, which means that I'm not using, well, there are natural emulsifiers, but I'm not using an emulsifier. So you see the oil floats on top of that water. So I will take a glass rod and I will stir that up, stir, 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 and then work really hard to pour evenly in these bottles. And that will be an organic toner, anti-aging. So if you want more information, if you want to see any of these products that I make, organic, ethically sourced, go to www.justbotanicalsak.com. Have a good day. Bye.